1, 2, 3, 4. Something about making my old man laugh when I'm saying something off the cuff. To sound so loud it can almost drown out everybody if they ain't talking loud enough. The hardest working man that I ever seen, but he always had time to watch me play ball. Getting up every day at 4 in the morning just trying to keep ahead of us all. Listening to Elvis on the oldest station, said a little bit of blue suede shoes. A cowboy dose of that old rock and roll, it's just a little too young to catch all the clues. Running on coffee and adrenaline, he got a new car every year. Black mustache and a pair of bifocals staring back into the rearview mirror. It seems like all I had was time when I was young. About all the songs we've sung, the Wanderer to Centerfield, Little Red Riding Hood. There ain't no better time in this whole world. Ain't no better time in this whole world.